How to use olive oil for constipation. Being constipated is one of the common gastrointestinal problems faced by most of us at least once in our lifetime. When a person doesn't have a bowel movement for 3 days, then he or she is considered constipated. If the bowel is present in our intestine for a long time, the colon will absorb the water from it. This makes the bowel movement difficult and painful. Less fiber content in food, lack of physical activity, dehydration, medication and excessive intake of calcium can trigger constipation. Usually, we try over-the-counter laxatives to treat constipation, but long-term usage can make the person dependent on them. This is the reason why many people use home remedies to treat constipation, like olive oil, prunes, baking soda to treat constipation at home. In this article, let's learn about olive oil in detail. How to use sweet oil to treat constipation. If you're experiencing difficulty in passing stool, using olive oil, or sweet oil, may ensure that it passes down your bowel without risking your health and safety. Olive oil for constipation. Olive oil lubricates the bowel and provides moisture to the stools. Olive oil acts as a laxative which lubricates the bowel and provides moisture to the stools, which make it easy to move through the colon. The monounsaturated fats present in it improve the bowel evacuation speed. Olive oil strengthens the mucus lining of the colon, which has weakened or works down due to constipation. It stimulates the muscle contraction of large intestine to make it easy for the stools to pass through the passage. It is rich in vitamin E and K, antioxidants, omega-3 and 6 fatty acids which help to boost the health of digestive tract. It encourages gallbladder to release bile, which is important for fat digestion. Apart from that, it encourages the digestive enzymes production to improve the digestion. The liver produces bile in our body. Olive oil inhibits the after effects of oxidative stress that affects the bile production in the liver. This helps in maintaining the bile production adequate enough for digestion. Olive oil stays stable in very acidic environments like the ones caused by Helicobacter pylori bacteria, which can trigger cancer and stomach ulcers. Constipation is one of the symptoms of these diseases. There are different ways of using olive oil alone or in combination to treat constipation. Uses of olive oil for constipation in adults. 1. Straight olive oil. Drinking olive oil is one of the easiest ways to treat constipation. If you are constantly prone to constipation, then you can follow this process regularly until you get relief from constipation. Consume 1 tablespoon of sweet oil on an empty stomach in the morning and repeat the same before going to bed as well. Follow this method daily for a week or more until you get relief. It's important to note that if you have forgotten to drink it on an empty stomach in the morning, then you can drink it 1 hour after having the breakfast. 2. Laxative drink. In this process, you can add olive oil to another ingredient which also has the properties to prevent constipation. Before looking into the process, let's have a look at what you mix olive oil with. Milk. The combination of warm milk and olive oil helps to loosen the hard stools. It also moistens the colon, making it easy for the stools to pass freely. Coffee. Olive oil can be added to your morning coffee, which acts as a laxative. This process helps to cleanse the colon after drinking the concoction. It loosens and moistens the stools to make pass easily through the colon. Fruit or vegetable juice. You can add olive oil in any fruit or vegetable juice. Choose vegetables or fruits that are rich in fiber. Fiber bulks up the stools, which stimulates bowel movements, while the olive oil moistens the colon. Parsley juice. Parsley is known to be a potent colon cleanser as it flushes out the harmful toxins from the digestive system. It stimulates the bowel movement and forces the gut to pass the stools. Process. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with any of the above ingredients. Drink it on an empty stomach or before going to bed. Repeat the process whenever required. 3. Olive oil with lemon. Lemon contains high acid content that helps to move the things in the colon. The combination of lemon and olive oil prevents the dryness in the colon, which helps the stools to move easily. Combine 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Consume it on before going to bed. Repeat regularly. 4. Olive oil with yogurt. If you are suffering from constipation due to bacteria in the gut, then this method is for you. Fight it with some probiotics like yogurt, which contains good bacteria and strengthens the mucus lining of the colon. This helps to treat severe constipation and its symptoms. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil into a cup of yogurt. Stir well and consume it. Repeat the process 3 times in a day. 5. Olive oil with fibrous fruits. For this process, you can use any fruits that are rich in fiber. Fruits that rich in fiber are apple, pineapple, pear, peach, raspberries or oranges. As banana helps in proper digestion and bulking up a stool, it can also be used. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil on 1 or 2 cups of chopped fruit or fruit salad. Eat it on an empty stomach daily. Repeat the process daily. 6. Olive oil with black pepper and garlic. By following this process, you will make a paste. You can add this paste to the fiber-rich vegetable salads or meats and poultry on daily basis. Combine 1 teaspoon olive oil, 2 to 3 teaspoons curcuma powder, a pinch of black pepper and 1 garlic clove, crushed. Mix the ingredients well and store in an airtight container in the refrigerator. 7. Sweet oil for massage. If you are not a fan of the olive taste, then you can just massage it to get relief from constipation. The skin absorbs the olive oil and the massage reduces the pain and discomfort caused by hard stools. Pour 4 to 5 drops of olive oil near the navel on the stomach. Massage gently in circular motions for 5 minutes or until the skin absorbs the oil completely. Repeat the process twice in a day. 8. Olive oil enema. If none of the remedies work, then the last resort is to try an enema. It has to be performed under the strict supervision of a health professional. Enema is a process where it is pumped into the colon, which softens the stools and speeds up the bowel movements. To 1.5 liters of warm water, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Pour the solution into enema pump. Under the strict supervision of qualified professional, pump the solution into the colon through anus. Wait for 10 minutes to let the enema solution work. Note: this process should not be followed on regularly. Enema is only prescribed to people with severe constipation. Olive oil for constipation in children. Children often get constipated if their diet doesn't include fiber. To avoid potty training, kids often hold in the stools, which accumulate in the intestines. This makes the stools dilate and painful while passing. Olive oil is also very helpful in treating constipation.